Hey folks, I'm Peter Melhorn and this is my son Grayson. Come along with us today as we go shark fishing off the coast of Sarasota, Florida. We're swinging for the fence today. I put a couple of black tips in yesterday. Got Grayson with me. He's on camera today. He's my good luck charm. We're going big time. We got the big one. We got a huge chunk of bonita that we are going to stick out here and see what the heck we can get into. I hope he stays buttoned. Did we put wire on that one?
I don't know what's wrong with wire.
You can turn the clicker off on it if you want to. It's on the side there. Yeah, I don't know if we put wire on that one or not. But I don't know what you got. It ain't acting like a shark.
I think, Daddy, it might be a huge catfish.
Yeah, it could be. I've caught enough of those on this trip. Not sure what he is. He's staying straight down. He hadn't run away yet.
He did not too long ago.
Unless he's a bigger shark than... No color. There he is. He is a shark. He's a shark. Like a sharp nose. Yep. There's a little bit of line.
It's been so long.
Big cat fever rod, putting it to it. We got our catfish gear out here and trying out that and this old pinky reel, see if we can break it. That's our goal. Most hated reel in America right there, folks. We're gonna try to break it out here on the shark. We ain't got a big one. This one ain't gonna do it, but there he is.
The fight still goes on.
There he is.
Is this size of sharp nose? That's a pretty
That's a
long fight.
nice normal size sharp nose there.
No. Get up here. Get up here.
There he is. You want me to tighten the drag up so you can win this
yes,
fight? Okay.
Please.
Let's see what that thing is at there. Oh God, that's real loose. It's still loose. There you go. You can win now.
All I've been doing is bringing him up.
I know. I'll let you play with this one. He's beat now. We're gonna get him in the boat.
Oh, now you wanted to wait for him to be tired to pull up the drag.
He should be whooped at this point. Nice little fish. Those are fun to pass the time with.
Especially on those spinning bait reels.
He's whooped at this point. Yeah, that hurt, didn't it? Bad thing is I ain't got a... Alright, watch out, he's coming in. Hand me my pliers over there. Oh, actually, hang on. He said, simmer down. Get on your belly. Get on your stomach. Actually, you're perfect. Got a good shot of him?
Yep.
That's an Atlantic sharpnose. Good looking little fish. Fun to catch. Good to eat. Make good bait, but we're putting this in back.
One way it feels good, and the other way,
Yeah.
like, ugh.
Good shot of him again. Get your picture. We hooked up. We just had one fold over one of the big cat fever rods with a piece of cut somebody on there. Don't know what we got. Probably a shark. We're just free lining a bait out there. Turn the boat. Nice fish. Getting ready to get mad. Getting ready to get mad. Good. All right,
So that would make for good video.
I'm a big fan of doing that. But he's hooked.
I like.
Got him? Got me in him?
Yep.
Good fish. That's a fun one.
Like always, sandpaper, not sandpaper.
You got video?
Yep.
Alright guys, got him. What does he weigh? Easy, easy, easy. I got your tail, so I'm gonna cheat the weight a little bit. About 18 pounds. There we go. Nice fish, get it back alive. Hi guys, this is day number 2 of some really good weather, and we can pretty much do what we want to out here except catch big shark. It's been a struggle, man. We got good bait. We've caught good bait while we're out here, and it's just they're not here, not even small ones. I just don't know what's up. I don't get it, but it is what it is. We're trying one last spot. We made about a 2-mile drift down through there. I think we picked off 2 or 3 in the process, and that was it. We're anchored up here shallow to try this. The only other option would be something super deep, and I don't have an E-perb on my boat, so I'm not running out far. So it's kind of where we're at. It's a beautiful day. I mean, it's flat. It's as good as it gets out here. Having fun, enjoying a little vacation, enjoying a little bit of salty. Just wish we could get on a monster, but it ain't happening. All right, to make a bad day worse, somebody took the pin out of the fire extinguisher. I don't know, I say somebody. It came out. When I shut the lid on my seat, it fired flame retardant crap everywhere. Including my camera. My camera's covered in it. See, my camera is covered. Just having one of those days. And my lens is covered. God dang it. Alright, this is just one of those days. Just one of those days when nothing's working. Nothing's working. Dadgummit. Pull all that stuff out. Your phone's covered in it too.
My phone?
This just makes me want to cuss. Grayson wants to hear me cuss. I'm not going to. Alright folks, here's some more shark fishing videos that have a little more catching in them than this trip. If you like these videos, please hit subscribe.
Hit that bell and smash the like button.
We look forward to seeing you guys on the water.